game day menu with a gourmet twist. Only the best while watching the best, right? I like tennis in the summer, skiing in the winter, shoe shopping all year long, because that's a sport, isn't it? And this hoagie any time of the year. Bun full of cheesy goodness was inspired by Philadelphia's iconic cheesesteak sandwich. Philly's actually a great sports town, and the fans can get a little bit crazy. I'd fit right in. The story goes that a hot dog vendor named Pat was making himself a beef sandwich at his cot. And a cabbie passerby got a whiff. 90 years later, Pat's King of Steaks still has a lineup every day. What accent am I doing exactly? Flank steak, an affordable cut with balsamic and extra virgin olive oil marinade. Gorgeous. You want to cut against the grain. Quality control. Simple yet effective. Perks of hosting, you get the first and last bite. Oh yeah. Now this is cheesy. There's only two types of cheesesteaks, with or without grilled onions, and mine is provolone with. I wonder if Pat's gonna be proud of me when he sees this sandwich, huh? That's what I call a beef sandwich. The meat is so tender, the buns with all the cheese, the veggies. Ooh, so far my game day menu has been a total ace.